Here we are beginning the dissection. We are completing a medial cut through the skin and 2 lateral cuts on each side of the medial cut.
Then we are pulling the skin away from the muscle. After that, we make a medial cut through the muscle and 2 lateral cuts on each side of the medial cut.
Here we are examining the internal organs of the abdominal cavity.
There are different organs and structures within the mouth, such as the tongue, teeth, and salivary glands. The tongue is held down by the frenulum and is used to push food into the teeth. The teeth then break down the food so that the saliva from the salivary glands can digest it. The liver is a large spongy organ that is split up into 2 different parts. One is the larger right lobe and the other is the smaller left lobe. There are multiple different functions within the liver. Some include bile production, fat metabolization, and metabolizing carbohydrates. For bile production, inside the small intestine, there is bile which helps break down and absorbs fats and cholesterols. For fat metabolization, bile breaks down fats, which makes it easier for food to be digested. And metabolizing carbohydrates, inside the liver, carbohydrates break down into glucose and get into the bloodstream to maintain normal glucose level. They're stored as glycogen and release quick bursts of energy when needed.
The stomach, which is usually found in a crescent shape, secretes acids and enzymes that digest food. Periodically, it also contracts its muscles, which churns the food in order to enhance the digestion.
The large intestine, also known as the colon, is the last part of the gastrointestinal tract. This tract is very important for the body as it is responsible for excreting the remaining waste from the digestive system. The tract is also responsible for taking in necessary nutrients for the body.
The small intestine is a hollow tube that is coiled up in the abdominal cavity. It starts at the duodenum and ends at the large intestine. The small intestine is made up of 4 layers: the mucosa, submucosal, muscularis, and serosa.
The mucosa is the innermost layer that is covered in villi that helps it absorb nutrients from digested food. The submucosal contains blood vessels and nerves. The muscularis helps move food through the small intestine, and the serosa protects and encases the small intestine. The function of the small intestine is to digest food and absorb nutrients such as vitamins and minerals.
The gallbladder is under the liver. It stores bile and is used to secrete bile into the duodenum.